Hey, it's Rhonda here. Today, I wanted to hop on here, do a quick video for you guys today about my software business, which just officially launched now, so it's not in pre-launch anymore. So I wanted to share a few more details with you now that we have all this information. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like, subscribe to my channel if you like the kind of information that I'm sharing about different ways to make money from home. I'd love to have you follow me. And that shows me that the content I'm putting out there is interesting for you. So let me get right into it. I'm not going to waste any time. So as you can see, we are in my site. Now, this is a landing page that everybody gets when you join My Software Business, okay? So right here, you can see it says 𝑑𝒉𝒐𝒏𝒆 at the top. That is what the name of the company is. Let our AI success coach pay you $200 over and over as you simply just share a phone number with others. So that is the beauty of this product and one of the few reasons why I got into it, right? So it's simple, very simple for anybody to do. You will get your own unique phone number, okay? And you'll see mine as I scroll down the page here in just a second, but everybody gets their own phone number you can share with people, and it's gonna take them into your AI system. So once they get in there, they can call or text it. And once they get into that system, the AI bot takes over. The success coach then sends them additional texts along the way to answer their questions, give them more information to close the sale for you. Of course, depending how you do business, I always have contact information so people can contact me also. But a lot of times, all their questions are answered right from that, right? So when they get to your landing page, because you're also going to get a landing page besides that phone number, you're going to get this one-page website here. So as you can see right here, you have it's an almost a 10-minute video here. I am not going to play this for you today. So if you'd like to watch this video, if this is something that's new to you, just click on the link below this video and it'll take you to this page where you can watch this 10-minute presentation. It goes into a lot of details about exactly what to expect. And most of your questions, probably all of your questions, will be answered in that video. They can join. As you can see, you can click to join right away below that video once you watch it. Or you can scroll down and this is going to show you a little bit about this automation suite. Now, this is my second reason to getting into this business. So besides being a reseller, as once you join MSB, you are going to have access to use all this software for your business, all these tools, right? And tools are the name of the game. If you've been following me or know me at all, then you'll know I'm always looking for, simple ways, simple automation tools. The whole point of getting into business is to free up your time, right? You have time freedom and stuff like that. So these tools are going to be simple to use. They're going to free up your time so that you're still going to be building that know, like, and trust factor, just like the AI system. It's taking over that sales process for you to simplify it. So this is great for beginners. So I'm going to show you some of the software that we are starting off with. Now this library will be growing constantly, okay? So right now we are starting off with 12 different softwares. I'm just going to go through them really quick and show you. So this is what you're going to be able to resell and offer people and also use for whatever businesses you're in. So if you're like me, you probably have multiple different things going. You can use these for all different things or to grow your presence on social media, as you'll see. So there's Biggest Fan. Okay, this is being worked on, as you can see. We're going to be transparent here. It's not currently working because Facebook changed their API. They are working to get that going. It's a way to get noticed by your clients, friends, and followers while going live on Facebook. So that will be coming, that it's getting worked on. A post filter, declutter your Facebook feed. Then there's 𝒂𝒂𝒄, which quickly finds the top influencers or top influential posts in any Facebook group so you can see who people are following or the influencers and either, so you can contact them or you can, reach out to people that are interested in what they're doing also, see what they're doing. Then there's the form filler, which automatically fills any form on the internet for you. So that's just a time-saving app. I'm going to go down to Color Grabber, which is great if you're like me I do a lot of my own graphics just because I love it. I love to do it. I actually went to college for graphic design, so to me that's fun, right? But so if you're someone like me who likes to do your own graphics and stuff like that, this is great because you can grab any color that you've already used before, and it makes it easier. Once again, it's a time saver. Then there's a ClickFunnels page cloner. So if you use ClickFunnels, this, or anybody that you know uses ClickFunnels, this will be great. It's easy. As you can see, it's ethically and quickly done, so you're not stealing something, okay? But you can be able to clone any ClickFunnels, any ClickFunnel sales funnel that you see easily. Post Profit, it's a powerful automated Facebook marketing tool, okay? And it's for your personal profile. Now, it's going to get you leads and sales using your Facebook posts, your Facebook profile. Most of us are using our Facebook profile as our main way, right, of building our know, like, and trust factor. So that's a great way. Then we have Mad Adder, which is all about Facebook ads. So if you use Facebook ads, or maybe it's something you're thinking about getting into, this would be a great software for you. We have Groove Page Cloner. Now that's another funnel. So if you use Groove funnels, this will be able to clone any Groove funnel for you. Engagement Monster. So this is a great way to boost your organic Facebook reach here. Like I said, most of us are typically, Facebook is everybody's #1 source of organic traffic, or where we're trying to get organic traffic. So Engagement Monster is going to help you with that. This is one of my favorites, Birthday Wisher, because there's no better way to connect with your audience. Like, you should be building relationships, right? So by wishing everybody a happy birthday. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, you know, I have close to 5,000 friends all the time now. I'll go through and, you know, clean some out sometimes, add new ones, but it's always close to that 5,000 amount. So there's some days, you know, I can have 20, 30 or more birthdays. And obviously I want to grow relationships with my, you know, friends on Facebook. I don't just add them to ignore them. So I do like to say happy birthday. And before, I was just going through and manually saying happy birthday to everybody. And that can really take a lot of time some days. So with Birthday Wisher, that's going to leverage that for you, make it simple, one click, so you're able to build those relationships and, you know, have those relationships on Facebook, build that know, like, and trust factor. Then there's Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. So this is a way, to turn your Facebook posts into viral giveaways and contests. Now those are great, right? Everybody loves giveaways, everybody loves contests. So this is going to be an easy way for you to do that with this software. So those are the softwares that we are starting out with here at My Software Business. As I scroll down, like I said, everybody gets their own unique phone number. This is mine, 239-558-1975. So that's the phone number. You can call or text it, and that's going to put people into that AI system. If you want to do that, go right ahead. I have mine set up so that it works in the United States or Canada. United States and Canada are automatically set for everybody, okay? And then there are countries worldwide available, okay, for you to have your number work in. And you will get, once you get your back office, you will be able to decide and pick and choose which countries, depending where you are in the world, where you want your phone number to work. Okay, so all the details for that are in the back office. I did another video on the country, so I'm not going to get into that on this video. As always, also, like I said, you can just click to join, and it takes people to right to my page where I have all my payments and how you can pay, how you can get started. This is, you are paid instantly, so you set up your own payment options, whatever you want. There's a ton of options back there, so however you want to get paid, you know, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's using PayPal, whether it's using Stripe, whether it's using Cash App, there's tons of ways. I'm not going to get into them all, but you choose and you put them in there, and then people will have those options on how to pay to get started. Scrolling down a little bit more, you're going to see there's frequently asked questions. So I am not going to go through all of these on this video. You're more than welcome to, you know, like I said, the link will be below this video. Click on that if you want to come in here and get all these details, watch that video, get all these frequently asked questions answered for you, right? So here they are down at the bottom of the page for you, and that's it. And that's what I basically wanted to show you. Now that this has launched, before we were saying it was going to be a software library, but we didn't have the softwares that were going to be available. And that was one of the questions that I was getting asked a lot. So I hope this answers that question for you. Like I said, it is a one-time payment, right? Which is great. And then you have access to all of these softwares in this library for your business or whatever business you want to use it for, whether it's My Software Business or anything else. And this will be expanding as it goes on. So there will be more software added in here for you and for you to offer. So I hope this helped. Once again, you can either call the number. Once again, my number is 239-558-1975, or click the link below this video. And I'd love to help you get started. You can always reach out to me on Facebook also. And I'm happy to answer any questions or have a conversation with you. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day.